saucing on you. I'm swagging, oh. I'm ballin', I've a song on you. Watch out, yeah. I smash out, yeah. I'm spending on my fucking pay. Might have a song. When I started ballin', I was young. You gon' think about me when I'm gone. I need that money like the ring I never won. I want saucing on you. I'm swagging, oh. I'm ballin', I've a song. I need that money like the ring I never won.
CL Type S.
VIP style CL Type S will be finished. I don't know when. It's at a body shop called Fine Line in San Bruno, and this person who's working on it is an artist, and he's giving me a very cheap price, so I can't complain.
Damn, advertising. Hit him with that damn.
Check back with me Week Fest in July.
Where we at, bro? Where we at?
Ocean Beach Meet 2016.
Yeah, you're bored. Yeah. Where you at, bro?
Ocean Beach, San Francisco.
Yeah, guys.
Ocean Beach.
Hey, y'all hella boring, man. Hey, where we at, bro?
At the beach.
Y'all eating? Some envious burgers? You don't feel me? Richmond chapter out here, no man, you know what I'm saying? Hey, yo. Hit him with the dab.
I don't know what that is.
Hit him with the dab.
Play with the water, need swim well. Look at my dab.